Good morning, Causey Tigers.
We're your Tiger Tales news anchors on this wonderful Wednesday, May 15th, 2019.
After today, there's only 7 days of school left.
Make sure you do your best every day. My name is Kylie.
And I'm Madison. Next, we have Emily saying the pledge for us.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Thanks, Emily, and welcome back.
Make sure you listen up so you know what's going on at Causey.
6th grade honor roll and perfect attendance students will be recognized at 8:30 this morning.
7th grade honor roll and perfect attendance students will be recognized at 8:30 tomorrow.
And 8th graders, Friday is your day.
Get ready for your celebration.
8th graders, be sure to turn in your money for the 8th grade celebration.
Remember, our attendance contest is happening now. Do your best to be here every day. Don't miss out on your last out of uniform day of the year. All you have to do is be here at the best middle school in the state of Alabama every day.
Make sure you know what's going on at Causey by following us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and subscribing to our YouTube channel.
Now for today's birthdays.
Haley would like to wish Trinity a very happy birthday.
Elijah would like to wish Trinity a very happy birthday.
Jaden would like to wish Jason a happy birthday.
Is your friend's birthdays coming up? Purchase a birthday groom to mark the occasion for just $1. See Ms. Brooks in the library at least one day in advance.
Turn in your adorable baby pictures for Throwback Thursday. If you'd like to turn in your photo, please turn it in by Wednesday with your first and last name and your homeroom's teacher's name on the back.
Causey's athletic team had a great year.
Isn't every year a great year for Causey Athletics?
What else would you expect from the best middle school in the state of Alabama?
Here's a short video about this year's athletics achievements. There were so many. We hope we didn't leave any out. Go Tigers!
The softball team won the Mobile County Championships. The baseball team placed second in the county championships. The Causey football team placed second overall in the county championships.
Tigers walked off the field with an impressive 7-0 victory.
The baseball team continued their winning streak yesterday, defeating Clark Shaw 6-1.
So how long have you been coaching the soccer team here at Causey?
I've been coaching soccer here at Causey for the last 4 years.
And what do you want to be better next year?
We are always working on speed, and we are working on agility, and we're working on our skills and becoming a team. That's the hardest part, is to take 17 young men or women and turn them into a team.
So what do you think about this year's football team?
I think we're going to be aggressive, fast. There's a lot of potential there, a lot of pieces of the puzzle. We'll just put it together and plan for the best.
Remember to turn in your library books into the library this week.
We hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and the countdown is on.
What are you doing?
I'm reading my library book.
I hope you know that they're due this week.
This week, better read fast.
Hey Causey Tigers, did you know that there's 8 days left of school, including today?
And just because there's 8 days of school left, it doesn't mean you can start slacking off. Do your best every day, and make sure to study for those EQTs.
It's Mariah
And Lily,
signing off.
This has been Tiger Tales with Madison
And Kylie.
Remember, this is Causey,
where excellence is
the
expectation. Next up, a word from Mr. Sprinkle.
Good morning, Causey Tigers, and welcome to another great day of education at the best middle school in the state of Alabama. All right, guys, 8 days left. We are counting them down, so each day becomes more important, that you are doing what it takes to finish up strong. You're making up any work. You remain engaged in your classrooms. You continue to focus. You've got a long summer ahead of you. I know when you start thinking about being done, some of you, your focus goes away. You've got to stay focused and finish strong. Talk with your teachers about any work, especially if you're one of these people who are on the bubble, okay? Especially if you're close to passing or failing, which hopefully we don't have many students in that category, but if you are, your responsibility to do anything you can do to make sure that you pass to go on to the next grade, okay? Guys, just a couple reminders. Today will be our 6th grade honors assembly. And the students who will be recognized today are students who made straight A's the entire year, first, second, third quarter. or if you made A's and B's the entire year, first, second, third quarter, or if you had perfect attendance for the first, second, third quarter. So we're looking for students who are committed to excellence and were consistent the entire school year, and you guys will be recognized at an honors assembly at 8:30. You will be called out of class today around 8:05 to get you on in there and get you settled down before your parents arrive. We'll do the same process tomorrow for our 7th grade students, same stipulations for the assembly. And then Friday we'll have our 8th grade celebration. Remember, students, you need to bring that $5 in so you can be involved. They have got a lot of great events planned for you. If you had a good time at the dance the other day, the Scantron dance, we're going to have another DJ set up in the gym with a photo booth. They're going to have several activities set up outside, including a Dunkin' booth. Rumor is Mr. Smith may make an appearance, maybe Mr. Chambers. We're going to see who wants to get back at him this year and get them wet, okay, in the Dunkin' booth. So we're looking forward for a great time for that. Remember though, if you are on the do not admit list, you will not attend the ceremony or you will not attend the celebration. Every student has a choice to come here every day and make good decisions and behave, not give your teachers grief every day, but for those who chose not to do that all year, you won't be allowed to go. So 6th and 7th grade students, remember that. If you don't come here every day and make good decisions and behave yourself, then you lose privileges, okay? And that's part of life. All right, guys, for the rule of the day, I'm going to keep talking to you about tardies. Get out of the hall before the bell rings. Be in your class before the bell rings. Do not take the long way around. I saw several 8th grade students yesterday walking outside the building. Do not go outside the building unless your class brings you out there. If you've got Miss McCutcheon's on one side and your class is Miss Zerlot, there's no way you should be going around by the portables to go to Miss Zerlot's class. We're going to be monitoring that very closely, and next year we'll definitely have a much better plan to prevent that from happening. So do your part and do the right thing. All right, guys, for today's launch, real simple launch today. We want to talk about being successful here in the last part of the quarter. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Very simple. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Okay, anything you go into or anything you try to accomplish, if you don't think you can do it, well, guess what? You will not. But if you believe you can do it and you put the work in that it takes to get it done, you will accomplish it, okay? So believe in yourself. That's the first part of being successful in anything you do. Have a great day here at Causey Middle School, where excellence is the expectation.